If you've been learning SEO, you've probably heard that backlinks are one of Google's most important ranking factors. But knowing that backlinks are important is only half of the story. The real question is, how do you actually get them? Many beginners think the only options are buying backlinks or waiting for other websites to discover their content naturally. In reality, there's a proven strategy that SEO professionals have used for years to build authority and earn high-quality backlinks. It's called guest posting. When done correctly, guest posting not only helps you learn valuable backlinks, but also increases your brand visibility, establishes you as an expert in your industry, and drives targeted traffic to your website. In this video, you'll learn what guest posting is, why it works, and how to use it step by step to build high-quality backlinks safely and effectively. So what is guest posting? Guest posting is the process of writing and publishing an article on another website within your industry or niche. Instead of publishing the article on your own website, you contribute valuable content to someone else's blog or website. In return, the website usually allows you to include a link back to your own website, either within the content or in your author bio. This creates a win-win situation. The website receives quality content for its audience, and you gain exposure along with a valuable backlink. Why guest posting is important for SEO? Guest posting is much more than just getting backlinks. When you publish content on reputable websites, you introduce your business to a new audience. Readers who find your content helpful may visit your website, follow your brand, or even become a customer. From Google's perspective, backlinks from trusted and relevant websites help increase your website authority and credibility. Over time, consistently earning quality backlinks through guest posting can improve your ranking for competitive keywords. Step 1. Find relevant website. The first step is finding websites that are relevant to your industry. For example, if you offer SEO service, you should look for digital marketing, business, or technology blogs. If you sell fitness product, you should target health and fitness websites. Relevance is extremely important because backlinks from related industry carry much more value than links from unrelated website. Also, look for websites that regularly publish quality content and have an engaged audience. Step 2. Evaluate website quality. Not every website is worth writing for. Before reaching out, take some time to evaluate the website. Check whether the content is well written, updated regularly, or useful for readers. Look at the overall design and user experience. A professional website with real traffic and active readers is much more valuable than a low-quality website created only for selling backlinks. Remember, the goal is to earn links from websites that Google already trusts. Step 3. Reach out with a personalized email. Once you have found a good website, the next step is outreach. Instead of sending a generic message to hundreds of websites, write a personalized email. Introduce yourself briefly, explain why you're interested in contributing, and suggest a few article ideas that would benefit their audience. Website owners receive many outreaches email every day, so personalization can significantly increase your chances of getting a response. Step 4. Write valuable content. If your guest post is accepted, focus on creating your best content. Don't treat guest posting as a place to publish average articles. Write something original, informative, and genuinely useful for the readers. Avoid making the article sound like an advertisement for your business. Instead, provide practical information that solves a problem or answers a common question. High-quality guest posts build trust with both readers and website owners. Step 5. Add your backlink naturally. The backlink should fit naturally within the content. Only link to pages that are relevant and provide additional value to readers. Avoid forcing links into unrelated section or using overly promotional anchor text. Sometimes the website owner may prefer placing your link in the author bio instead of the article itself. Both options can be valuable if the website has a good authority. Remember, the purpose of the backlink is to help readers, not just search engines. So now look at some common guest posting mistakes. Many beginners focus only on getting backlink instead of providing value. Submitting poor quality article, sending mass outreach email, writing for irrelevant website, or over-optimizing anchor text are some of the most common mistakes. Another mistake is publishing the same article on multiple websites. Each guest post should be unique, well-researched, and written specifically for that website audience. Quality always beats quantity. How guest posting builds long-term authority. One of the biggest advantages of guest posting is that its benefits go beyond SEO. As your articles get published on respected websites, more people begin to recognize your expertise. Website owners become more willing to collaborate with you. Journalists may reference your content and brand gains credibility within your industry. Over time, guest posting helps build both your backlinks profile and your professional reputation. So here's the summary. Guest posting is one of the safest and most effective link building strategies in SEO. By publishing valuable content on relevant website, you can earn high-quality backlinks, increase brand awareness, build authority, and drive targeted traffic to your website. The key is to focus on quality, relevance, and creating content that truly help readers. Guest posting is not about collecting backlinks as quickly as possible. It's about building relationships, sharing expertise, and earning trust across your industry. When you consistently contribute valuable content to a reputable website, the backlinks and ranking follow naturally. At Digital Solutions Zone, we help businesses grow through ethical link building strategies, content marketing, and complete SEO solution. From outreach and guest posting to technical optimization and content creation, we provide everything you need to build long-term organic growth. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.